In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or empty your Google Drive for 2025. This can be a helpful process if you're looking to start fresh, organize your files better, or simply manage your storage space more effectively. Let's get started on this easy and straightforward process together. To begin with, let's navigate to Google Drive, open up your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Make sure that you're logged into the correct Google account, as Google Drive will display the files associated with the account you're currently using. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you will see all your files and folders listed. Next, we're going to move on to selecting the files you want to delete. You want to start by clicking on any single file to select it. After you've highlighted the first file, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While holding it down, press the letter A. This simple shortcut will select all files and folders displayed in your Google Drive. It's a quick way to ensure that everything is highlighted so you won't have to click through each item individually. Once all your files and folders are highlighted, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and look for the trash can icon. This icon represents deletion, and clicking it will move all the selected files and folders to the trash. It's important to remember that this step is reversible. Items in the trash are not permanently deleted until you choose to empty the trash. So, in case you change your mind, you still have a chance to restore your files later. After completing this action, your files will stay in the trash for 30 days, during which you can restore them if needed. However, to ensure that your Google Drive is completely cleared, you will now need to navigate to the trash folder. You can find this on the left hand side of your screen in the Drive menu. Go ahead and click on Trash to open it. Inside the trash folder, you'll notice another trash can icon, along with options to restore or permanently delete items. To empty your Google Drive completely, click on this trash can icon and confirm that you want to permanently delete everything. Remember, this is an irreversible action, so only proceed if you're certain that you won't need any of the files in the trash later. And there you have it, your Google Drive should now be reset, freeing up space and giving you a clean slate to work with. This process can help you manage your cloud storage more efficiently and potentially improve your productivity. I hope you found these steps easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to guiding you through more tech tutorials soon.